In front of me is Motorola One Action, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, just open the list of all apps, go to the settings, then find and select system, and here you will notice advanced options. Enroll it and enter developer options. If you cannot find developer mode in your device, then just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode in Motorola, then perform the special trick, and then you will be able to enter developer options. And once you are in developer mode, just scroll down a bit, mark system demo mode, and you can smoothly enable demo mode by tapping on this switcher. Show demo mode by tapping on the switcher below. And that's it. Then if you would like to turn it off, just mark both switchers. And this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.